How to clear history on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can clear history on Twitter. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that you have X application, that means Twitter application installed on a device. Now open your application and here in this screen, click on the magnifying glass like icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now here you can see all of your recent source history. So if you want to clear the specific history, just long press that keyword and click on clear option. But if you want to clear all of your history, just click on the cross icon at the top of the screen. Once you click on it, again press on clear option and that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can clear your history from Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye bye.